Hello friends, with the advent of PWA and the ability to have offline applications, how do we tell when there isn't a network connection? Do you have to make a call and watch it fail? This is what I've done till now, but there is actually an event online and offline that the browser will fire for you. This is much better. Let's jump in and have a look. Okay, so I've got a very simple web page here, and we're just going to add in what is required to detect these online and offline events. So if we just create a script, then we can go window.add-event-listener, and it's just an offline event. And then let's just call our handler offline. So we can have a function offline, and we'll just console log this out as we are offline. So if I save that off and then come back in here, my page is there. So if I come to the network tab now, the DevTools, and click offline and then go back to console, we can see that event is firing. So, you know, it's picture you've got a PWA, it's working, and then suddenly you lose internet connectivity. You wouldn't know this until the user clicked on a button that went to try and get some data from the server, at which point you could say, oh, you are offline if you handle it correctly, or you might just get an error. But what you really want to be able to do is update the UI when it happens. So, you know, disable the functionality that requires the internet, but still allow the user to interact with the local content. So what we also need is an event to say when it's back online, and that one is very simple as well. Let's grab this one, and it is the online event. Online, and we'll just say we are online down here. So if I save that one off, we'll come back in and refresh. So let's go to our console, and obviously I've forgotten to create the online function. Let's do that, like so. Online, we are offline. Okay, slight confusion there, but all good now. Okay, saved and refreshed, and let's have a look. So I come into the network and I say offline, and then in the console we get, yep, we are offline. Can we make this bigger? Oh yeah. And then if we go back into the network and say, now that's big, I can't get to it. Let's say we're online. We come back into the console, and we are online. So it fires straight away. You can then enable the interface to allow that functionality again. So great little tip for your PWAs and working offline. There you go. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down. See you next time. Bye.